Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our subject computer of class 6. Open your computer book, chapter number 5, more on MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a useful application that helps us to create the effective presentations. It is available as the part of MS Office. A powerful presentation consists of a series of slides. A slide can contain the text, graphics, and clip art, sound, movies, and animations. In this chapter, let us find out the way to use the graphics and animations to make our presentation attractive, to hold the attention and interest of the audience. You can add the sound and music from the file on your computer. You can even download these files from the internet or Microsoft Clip Organizer. Furthermore, you can record your own sound and add the presentation or use music from a CD. Let us quickly review some of the features of PowerPoint. So first one is adding graphics, pictures and tables to a slide. First of all, open a new presentation. So we are going to start with blank presentation. So these all are other templates. So we are going to start learn from blank template. Select it. Now the first one is adding graphics. The Microsoft Clip Organizer consists of graphics, photos, sound, videos and other media called clips that can be inserted and used in presentation. The steps to add a picture to the presentations are: first, select the slide on which you want to insert a picture. So from here we insert a new slide like a blank. So here we are going to insert a new picture. So first, click on Insert tab and select Picture button in the image group. Click on Insert tab, select Picture from image group. A picture dialog box will appear. Select the picture which you want to insert into your presentation and click on Insert button. So to relocate the graphics, click and drag it to place where you want that reposition it. So as soon as you will insert a picture, you can see here we have a picture tool which allow you to format this picture with the help of various options to like correction in this picture, to change the color of this picture, apply a border or size or crop this picture. We will discuss after a few seconds. Next is adding a clip art. Clip art are the pictures, the file that can be inserted to the slide of your presentation. The steps to insert a clip art. First of all, you have to click on select the slide where you want to insert the clip art. Then click on Insert tab. Select Clip art button from the image group. Then click on search box to search for the clip art or a picture. For example, computer. So with the use of this search option, you need an internet connectivity. Okay. So first, connect your internet with your computer or your laptop and then use this option. So here we are going to click on search. It will search some pictures of computer here. So you can select any picture which you want to insert. For example, this one. You can select more than one picture also. if you want to insert two pictures, so like this one, and click on insert button. It takes some time to download those pictures, and then these two pictures are in a slide. So you can resize it and relocate these pictures and set it on your slide. Next is editing pictures and clip art. When the graphics is inserted in a presentation and additional tabs appear on the ribbon, the format tab that allow you to format the picture and graphics. So here we have a picture tool which have a one option, format tab. So this tab, with the help of this tab, you can adjust the picture like the color correction and some more changes. With the picture style, you can apply the various border styles and some special effect on your picture. Then you can use the arrange group to arrange your picture. Then the size group is to use to resize your picture, and also if you want to crop the unwanted part of your picture, you can crop it. So similarly you can adjust your picture. So we will do one by one. First you have to select the picture like this one. We will just increase the size. First option is background remover. To remove the background of your picture, you have to select any color. So then keep changes. So then this way you can remove the background of your picture. Get it back again by undo. Okay. So to remove this part only, you want to see this object, you can use the remove background option. Then the correction option is, if you want to change the color, contrast or brightness of the picture, you can apply this. Next is to change the color. Like first I'll get a picture here. So it's not hidden by any other object. So here we have a picture. If I click on color, so with the color options I have a different colors to apply to change the color, like a black and white, grayish color, yellowish. So any color combination you can apply. Then you have artistic effect to change into the drawing formatting. Okay, so anyone you can apply to your picture. So just select this picture. We can apply these effect on any picture. So we have on this picture. If we want to apply this effect like coloring and sketch, so you can apply any type of effect to your picture. Then next is the working with the picture styles. To change the border, then change the border color. You want to apply some effect to your pictures like the reflection effect. So here we have a reflection effect of this picture. Then the forward backward, for example here we have a two picture. Okay, if we want to hide this picture behind this picture, then you can use bring this picture as a front. Okay, if you want to send this picture at the background of this, then you can click on send background option to send this picture at the background and show this picture at the front of second picture. Then next one is height and width. To increase the height and width of your selected picture. For example, we want to increase the height and width of this picture either by you can drag and with the help of mouse you can increase the size of this picture, but you can also use these parameters to increase the height and width of your picture, like height 14. So in this way it's increased. So you can change this. Next is send these pictures. So we take the example of this. Okay. So next is the crop option. If I want to crop this part extra part of this image, then I'll click on crop button. With the help of mouse, I can set the pointer and crop the unwanted part from your picture and click on crop button. So it removes the extra part from the picture and only this part is here. So in this way you can use these features to adjust, to style, to arrange or to size your graphics or picture and clip art. Next is adding photo albums. For example, you want to add more than one picture. The photo album feature in a PowerPoint allow you to create the photo album easily. So we have to follow some steps. So to insert a photo album, first of all click on Insert tab, open your presentation, click on Insert tab. Then click on photo album, select new photo album. Then a dialog box will appear. Click the file or disk option to see the pictures from your files. Select the folder and select the pictures which you want to add in your photo album. So I'll select these all. And then click on Insert button. The last selected picture will be displayed in the preview box. The number and the names of all the pictures will be shown in the Pictures in Album box. By selecting the pictures, you can select the pictures from here. Then with the help of these two arrows, you can arrange the order of showing these pictures. For example, I want to show this picture on the different. Okay, select the picture. For example, this picture I want to show this picture at the 4th number. So then with the help of these two keys, select only one picture at a time. Then you can arrange their order. Unselect it. Keyboard I want to show just one step up. Then unselect this, then I want to show it here. Then the desktop PC I want to show at the starting. Then the laptop I want to show here. So after setting all the pictures, then you have to select the pictures which you want to display in your photo album. Okay, so arrange the pictures by using these two buttons, and if you want to remove any picture, then you can select that picture and click on remove. Then fit to scale or to fit the picture according to your slide size. Then click on create button to insert all these pictures in photo album. So here we have a photo album by the name of this PC. Okay, you can edit it if you want. Then we have a first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, mouse, then desktop PC and a printer. So by clicking on this button, you can slideshow these all pictures one by one. Okay, so this is the easy way when you have to create a photo album or a presentation in which you want to just show only the pictures. So rather than create a new slide and insert a picture, so if you don't want to repeat these steps, you can use this feature photo album. Next we have a tables. A table is a grid made up of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns form the rectangular box. These are called cells. Columns are the vertical series of a cell, whereas the rows horizontal series of a cell. The table is used to display the data in organized way. In a presentation, it is inserted at the point where the cursor is positioned. So now learn about how to insert a table. Select your presentation. For example, I want to show this information. For example, we have these two student information, Ravi and Rohit, their class, subject 1 and subject 2. So it's just in the form of type. But if I arrange this information in the form of table, that is very easy and presentable as compared to just writing these things. So now let's learn how to insert a table. First of all, insert a new slide. So on this I want to insert a table. So select the position where you want to insert the table. Then click on insert tab. Under the table group we have a first option is insert table. In insert table we have a 4 option to insert a table in presentation. The first one is by selecting the rows and columns with the help of these boxes. So like this is with the 4 column and 3 rows. This is with the 5 column and 3 rows. You can check the number here. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2. So similarly you can insert a table in your presentation with the help of these boxes. So here we have a table. So as you insert the table, so here you can see the table tools with the 2 options, design tab and layout tab to edit the formatting of your table. Second option is to insert a table with the help of insert table option. By clicking on this, a dialog box will appear. From here you can enter the number of rows and column. For example, 4 column and 4 rows, and click on OK button to insert a table. So here we have a table with 4 columns and 4 rows. Third option is to insert the table is click on insert tab. Insert tab. Under the table group, select the third feature, that is draw table. Then with the help of this pen you can draw your table. Okay, so draw table to create a new column within a table. So in this way you can draw a table in your presentation. Next option is if you want to insert a table from your Excel sheet. For example, you have already filled up data in some Excel sheet and you want to insert the data from that Excel sheet into this presentation. Click on insert button. First select the position where you want to insert the table. Then click on table option and select Excel spreadsheet. A dialog box will appear. Browse to a folder from where you want to insert, or here we have a Excel sheet. So by this you can increase the column and width and then you can type the information in this. Okay. With the help of this Excel sheet you can also use the formulas in your PowerPoint presentation. So this is the way to insert a table in your presentation. So first, now we are going to explore about the features of these tables. Now we are going to discuss about modifying and formatting a table. First of all, type some information in your table. Here we have a name of students, their subject math, English, science and Hindi. Then as you select this table, you can see here we have a table tool having 2 tabs. One is design tab, second is layout tab. On clicking on design tab, you can choose the different options to format your table. For example, you want to change the table style, like the different combinations are here. You can apply any style to your table. Okay, so here it's changed. So similarly, with the help of layout option, you can insert new rows, new column in your table. Okay, so here we have one more option. First is adding a table styles. Is it clear to all? Next is apply effect. So you can apply the different effect to your table. First of all, you have to select this table. Then under the table style, you can choose the option effect. From here you can select any one effect which you want to apply to your table. If you want to apply that effect to your whole table, then you have to select your entire table. Otherwise, if you want to apply that effect only to a one cell or a line or a one column or a row, then you can select only that one. Click on effect. From here you can choose a style. So as you can see that the different styles are applied. For example, if I am changing this, so it apply the effect like the shadow effect. So here we have a special effect, shadow effect. So similarly you can apply the different effect to your table. Similarly you can apply some cell rules. So by the help of this you can apply. So with this you can see it by applying the different all border. So it's clearly visible at that time. Okay, so with the help of this you can change the shading color and the different effect will be applied to your table. Then this one is to adding a border. By clicking on this you can add the border to your table. Next is apply the border color. You can also apply a different color for your border. Click on this. Click on here the pen color. With this you can change the width of your border. From here you can select any color from here, and then with the help of this pen you can change the border. It's not properly visible just because of red color, so first of all you have to change the border. To see the border, first we change the width to 6 point. Now select the pen color, for example red color. Okay, so we just change this table to back to a normal white and black, so you can see here the border color properly. So then with the help of this pen you have to draw a line on the which color you want to apply to a border. So then you can change the color for horizontal lines. So similarly you can change or apply a different color for your borders. Next is layout tab. With the help of layout tab you can arrange your data. You can insert a new row and column. You can merge the column, change the height and width of the columns. For example, this is you can change the height. By this you can change the width, and there are more many options which you can apply on your table. Next is inserting charts. Charts allow you to present information contained in a worksheet in a graphics format. MS Paint, PowerPoint offer many types of a chart such as a column, line chart, bar chart, area chart and scatter chart. The various steps to insert and view the chart on a slides are listed below. First of all you have to click on insert tab. First select the slide where you want to insert a chart. Then click on insert tab. Under the group illustration you can find here the chart option. Select a chart style which you want to insert in your presentation. For example, column chart. The type of chart is 3D type. So then click on OK button. When you select an OK, an Excel document showing the sample data is displayed. Click on close button to close it, or either you can edit this information by typing the values in this series. For example, we have typed this information, the name of students and their core subjects marks in this Excel sheet. Okay, after typing this, then you can click on close button to close it. So here we have chart with the first student name Ravi, Riya, Raj, Ali and Ash according to their marks. Editing a chart. First of all, you need to select the chart. As you select the chart, you can see here we have a two option under the chart tool. One is design and second is format. First is, if you want to re-edit this information, then you can click on design tab. Under the data, you can click on edit date option. The Excel sheet will again open up. From here you can change the value. For example, I want to make it 55 to like 96. Click on this and it's saved and changed in here. Then you can close this. So by this you can edit your information. Next is formatting a chart. Formatting is done to improve the appearance of chart. It helps you to display the information in a better way. First one is modifying the chart layout. You can modify the chart layout and enhance the appearance of your chart information. Select the chart and click on design tab. Students, if you want to study more about the chart, you can also watch our video of class 7 chapter number 1, how to insert a chart in Excel. So same way we can insert the chart and apply these all effects on presentation. So first of all you have to select your slide, then click on design tab. So first is you can change the chart layout. By clicking on these you can add a different types of elements to your chart. For example, you can add axes, you can add titles to your axis. For example, here we want to write the name of student. So similarly, you can insert the axis title for the vertical axis, then you can insert the chart title, then labels, data collect. Okay, so here we can show the labels. So similarly, you can add more features into your chart. Next is chart style. By clicking on this, you can change the chart style. For example, I want to apply this effect. So in this way you can change. With the help of format you can change the colors, background color of your chart. For example, this one we want to apply. Okay, so it's changed here. First of all, select a simple style for your chart. Then you can see the format options. On clicking here, you can change a different colors to your chart. By this you can change the shape fill color if you want to change to a specific color. From here you can change the outline color of your chart. By this you can change the weight of your outline, like so here is change. Then you can apply some effect to your charts like the shadow effect, glow chart, bevel and 3D. So you can apply a different types of a style. Word art is to change the formatting of text within a chart. For example, this way you can change the style. So I just increase the size of this chart. So here you can clearly see we have a different formattings for text. For example, this one is for a simple red color, simple black color. So you can apply from here, you can change the color. From here you can apply the different type of a reflection effect. Other effect you can also apply. So here we have a reflection of words. By option of this size you can increase the size, height and width of your chart to adjust according to your slide. So this is all about the chart here. If you want to study more about the charts, you can watch our video of class 7 chapter 1. You can also check the link in description. Check the link in description. Next, we are going to discuss about inserting audio and video. Insert audio. and video files. In MS PowerPoint has several features which helps you to make the presentation more interesting. It allows you to attach sounds and music to your slides. You can also record your own voice and add to the presentation or use the music from a CD. Similarly, you can add a movie or animation to a slide and make your presentation attractive. Adding a video. Video clips can be added to the presentation by following these steps. First of all, select a new slide on which we want to insert a video. Select that slide, click on insert button. Under the media, we have first option video. Either you can insert an online video or either you can insert a video from your PC. So select any one option, video from my PC. Then it will open a window. Select any video which you want to insert. For example, class 6, chapter number 4, insert. So PowerPoint is inserting a video, so just wait some time. So here we have a video. So you can also check here we have a video tools. One is a format, second is playback. So with the help of format you can edit this video type. For example, here with the help of video style you can apply the border. With the help of this you can change the border color. With this you can apply the different effect to this video frame. Next is you can change the height and width, or either with the help of mouse you can change the height and width of this window only. Then with the help of play option you can check the video, click on play. It takes some time to play that video. So here the video is open. Then you can click on pause button to stop it. Okay. Next is playback option. With this you can apply a different effects or different playback option for your video. So when this video will start playing, either click on when you click on this window, or either when you come to this slide, it automatically play this video. So first on click, select this slide and click on this slideshow button. So here we are. So when we move to the next slide, it's there. When you click on this slide, it start playing.
Good morning students. Today we are going to start with our
when you click on this again, with the help of this you can stop this video. Second option is automatically. Select this presentation, click on playback option and click on here automatically. Now save. In your computer, on desktop, we are going to save this presentation. It takes some time to save. So now we have select the start automatically. Click on this button. Select the previous slide, click on this slideshow button. So it's here. So when we move to the next slide, it starts automatically playing the video.
Good morning students. Today
but in a previous when we click on this slide, then it starts playing a video. Next is play full screen. So you can tick this button, so this will play in a full screen mode. Otherwise, if you untick this, then this will play only in this size of window. So just move to this slide, click on slideshow to check it. So when we move here, it start playing the video in full screen.
With our subject.
So in this way, you can use the different options of playback to select your presentation. You can also trim if you want to cut some part of your video. So you can apply these all one by one on your video and keep practice. Next is adding audio. First of all, insert a new slide. So on this slide, we are going to insert audio. Click on insert button from the media group. Select on audio. Either you can record your audio and save in your presentation, or either you can select audio from your PC. For example, I want to select any music file from here, like okay. So it's inserted in my slide. So here I can see the symbol is here. So when I click on this button, it will start playing that music. You can also check under the format option. You can just apply the formatting option for this speaker only. Okay, but when you are playing any sound, its speaker is not visible at that time. So first option is when you want to start this music, either click or automatically same as previous. Play across the slide means if you switch to the next slide, the sound will play at the background. For example, we insert 3 more slides. Okay, so here we have other styles. So we insert a picture like this one. On this slide, we insert a new picture like this one. Okay, so here we have a sound. Click on playback option and select play across the slide. Okay, now select this slide. Click on slideshow to check the working of our presentation. Now we move to the next. It starts playing a video. We move to here. Now click on the speaker to play the music. Now if we move to the next slide, this sound is playing at the background. So in this way, you can insert the audio for your presentation or for a specific sets of slide or for the entire slide as the background sound for your presentation. Next is animation, text and objects. Animation is a process by which the multiple pages are displayed rapidly in the sequence such that the images appear in the motions. It is the addition to the special visual sound effect to your text and the graphics on a slide. The animation can be used to any or all of the following purpose: to emphasize on the importance information in the slide, to control the order in which the information is displayed on the slide, to hold the attention and interest of the audience. Now you can also set the timings and the orders of animations. Now we are going to learn about these all one by one. First of all, insert some pictures on your slides. The slide animation effects are predefined that add the object on a slide. Slide animations. Slide animations effects are predefined special effects that you can add to object on a slide. The various steps to apply these effects. So first we are going to apply these effects on a text. For example, here we have a text welcome. Select this effect, text, then click on animation. From here you can select any type of animation for this. So we have, these are different numbers of animations are here. For example, fly in. So it's fly in. Then you can, with the help of special effect, you can apply from bottom left, so it come from this side. You can choose any one option for your text. Then next is you can also apply these times. You can change the duration like 1 second. You can also change the delay, the coming between these words. So just click on this slideshow and check the final output of this animation. So here but when we click on it, it comes. So in this way you can apply these effects on your your text. You can also apply some advanced by clicking on this animation pane. You can select this option, click on effect options from right or from bottom. You can select any option, smooth start, smooth end, bounce, and if you want to apply some sound along with this animation, then all at one by one word, one by one letter, you can choose this. Delay between the letters, for example 10%, we make it 20%. Okay, so according to your choice you can select the effect, and also you can adjust the timings. Click on OK. So it comes like this. You can check from here, play from, to check the preview, comes like this. So when you are in final output mode, from here you can select on click, after previous, after, with previous or after previous. So we are select on click. So here we have a text. When we click, so it comes one by one word. So similarly you can adjust the 2 or 3 things on your presentation. Next is, if you are going to start with 2 or 3 different objects, you can also apply these effects to your animation. One comes in and second goes out. So you can use these options. Next is, for example, here we have, next we are going to discuss about the 2 things. Welcome, welcome. From here we change the size of this. First change the size of this, then you can change the animation which we applied on this animation effect. Select this one, click on animation, and this is fly in. Here we are making it effect of 1 by 1 letter, so we make it 20. Click on OK button. Then we select the second text, click on animation. From here we will select, this is for interest, this is for emphasize, this is for exit. So I'll select it, fly in for this. Okay, and also I change the options word by word by 30% delay. Okay, and after this I'll select this one option and select the option fly out. So we select this second message and click on here after previous. So when first one will come and then second welcome will come. So now click on presentation mode. So this is our presentation. First will come when we click. So it's first welcome. Then first will goes out and second will come. So in this way you can select your content according to your requirement. Then the last topic is slide transitions. So the way one slide follows the other on the screen is called transitions. The various steps to apply the transition effect to a presentation are listed here. Select a slide in which you want to apply the transition by pressing and holding the control button and clicking the different transition effects. So first of all, I'll select this layout for this. So as I select this one first, click on transition effect. I'll select here fade. If you want to apply the same effect to all, then you can click on apply all. If you want to apply the different effect to all the presentations, then you can select a different one for all. Select the slide and apply a effect for everyone. Then for this video one, we are going to reveal. Then we adjust it here, welcome, and this is as a wipe. So in this way we can adjust the different slides. For example, I just send this out. Okay, now I'm going to click on this and select the presentation show. So this is coming in this way. When I click on next button, there's a change. When I click on next, it's change. So you can apply the different effect to your videos, objects, and the different apply you can apply to your presentations. So this is move out, next will come. So in this way you can apply the different transition effects. Okay students, this is all about your today's sessions. So we have learned about how to insert the different graphics like pictures, clip art, photo album. Then we have learned about charts. Then we have discussed about audio and video, how to insert audio and video in your presentation. Then we learn about different animations and transition effect which we can apply onto the presentation. So now you have to do all the bookwork on your book and question number C in your notebook, and question number E with some extra question answers, only the C question answers and some extra question answers on your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.